Hello YouTube, this is Kiratek. In this video I'm going to show you how we use Microsoft Office for free. The first way, we can choose any browser. In this case we use Google Chrome. We put it in incognito mode and then we'll search for office.com. So we'll choose between the two preferences, the sign in, and this is for online purpose and this is for offline purpose, but this one asks us to purchase the applications, so our purpose is to use the free version. So we click the sign in button. So we put our email here to sign into the account. I'll put my email. So in my case, my PC is to connect it to my Microsoft account, so I'll insert my PIN here. So this message might pop up and just click confirm. So if you want to stay signed in for the whole time, you click yes. If not, no. So you have different options here: Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So if I want to create some documents, here I can click. For example, if I want to create a Word document, I'll click here. And so for a new document, you just click here, blank document. This for Microsoft Word. For example, if I insert the word, I can use any features of the Word document. So if I click, like, for example, I love, I enter this text, I love my life. So you can change the fonts, and you can select it with the mouse, and you can change the font in any size you want. For example, if I want to make it 72 or 20, you can change the font. You can bold, italicize, underline. For more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you for watching the video.